Hello everyone, myself Prashant from Savix Technologies and happy Deepavali to all my friends and viewers. As we all are celebrating Deepavali, our IT team is continuously working behind to safeguard our infra and data. At the same time, vulnerability is also at its peak. Our IT needs to make sure that organization's valuable data is secured, safe, and reliable. Now the question arises here that how confident are you that your organization has clean, reliable backups to restore in the event of a cyber incident? Data backups are the unsung heroes in the battle against cyber incidents. They provide the lifeline for businesses to recover and resume operations after an attack. Clean, reliable backups are the foundation of a robust defense. They serve as the last line of defense, ensuring your data's security and recoverability in the wake of cyber incident. In the face of cyber incident, the confidence in your organization's clean backups become the cornerstone for resilience. Veeam, a leader in backup solution, stands as a guardian for data recovery in such challenging time. Its role in ensuring clean, reliable backups is supreme. It provides not just backups but a comprehensive approach to data integrity and recoverability. Veeam doesn't just back up your data, it ensures their reliability through regular validation, integrity checks, and recovery testings are done on time. It's more than a tool. It's your proactive defense strategy. Its capabilities aren't just a technicality. They are essential for business continuity, protecting our data, reputation, and the trust of our stakeholders. Veeam helps your organization maintain its resilience. It offers data recovery, integrity, and regularity compliance, ensuring that when the unexpected strikes, your data remains secure and recoverable. Remember, in the face of cyber incident, the trust in your organization's backups is your safety net. Its comprehensive approach to backup and recovery is your shield against potential data loss and business interruption. In the world plagued by cyber threats, the confidence in your clean, reliable backups is your key to recovery and continuity. It's the go-to choice for businesses seeking top-tier recovery solution. Well, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you love this video, please do comment below to let me know your thoughts. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Till that time, be safe. Happy Deepavali.